Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Han Market. The Han Market is here on the left. It is sunny. This is my German friend. We are here in Little Korea, I would say, because so many Koreans are here. All the stores are Korean. Everything is in Korean language. But we're gonna go to the right this time. And also, we're gonna see if this German restaurant is still in place. Because I saw one time there's a German restaurant. Marcus, a German restaurant, yes, and I want to see what they have to offer there. Because somehow I feel, I'm not sure if I go to Germany anytime soon this year, probably not. And maybe I want to have a little bit of a German food, right? So here you see everything is in Korean. Nail studios. There's my tailor where I went, Paul. And this is the very busy street we did also last time. But we're gonna go in this direction this time. And also we're gonna see lots of restaurants, bars, spas. But also this banh mi, I tried this banh mi once. It's so highly rated, but it was 70,000 dong, like almost $3. And I'm like, that ain't it, man. That ain't it. I love banh mi. It feels like Hongdae a little bit. Hello. Hello. Lots of stores here. Lots of stores. Lots of fake stores as well. You can see here Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada. And Marcus, a little tip for you.
Yes.
If you ever want to have those kind of fake things, usually those stores, they display the obvious fake ones, the ones where you say, okay, it's just like a fake item, in the front. But then you go in the back, a back door, like you go through the store and then they have the one-to-one fakes. Oh. The criminally good faked articles. But yeah, I have no idea because I really don't care about brands, so I don't see a reason why to wear brands. Like for example, I like my Essex shoes because they really help me walking without pain at all. They're so good, they're so ugly, I have to say, they're ugly as hell. But I absolutely love them. And only one pair because I tried only Gale Cayano 30, and since this is for stability and I walk, it's just perfect for my feet because I have flat feet. Because I have flat feet, I need those shoes. It's great, and I think Essex should sponsor me. So if you know anyone at Essex, tell them I need a sponsorship. I tell everyone to get Essex. Hoka is not bad either. But Essex is at the moment better. I will try out other shoes as well. But hey, Marcus, I think that's a German one? No. Sunwald.
It says Beer House
Ja.
and Steak. Here.
Aber australisches Beef. Bierhaus, yeah. Yes. So this is German here, okay? All right, all right. What's going on here? We have, this is not German, guys. Okay.
It's also Schwabenbräu.
Spicy combo sausage. You want to have some sausages, Marcus?
Sausages?
Yeah, but the rest is somehow Asian.
Do they have currywurst?
They don't. They don't. This is more like a steakhouse, guys. And maybe they sell a lot of beer. Oh, you have, I don't know, man. Hello. Give me something. Seafood. That's not German. I mean, a little bit. You're from Hamburg, right?
Yeah. But no.
It does not look like
I think
German.
that no. There's a mixed up.
Where's the German food? I don't even see German beer. Shop butchery. And I also don't see a German flag.
No, they have something like Familie. It's just the brands of the beer, probably.
Ah, Dinkelacke. Okay, guys, I think this is just for beer. Here, Hopfenwunder. All right. Okay, I guess that's not a restaurant. I think it's just a brewery, a beer place with German beer, but sadly no German food. There's still no German restaurant here. Look at this. This is a brand new hotel. It's the Courtyard by Marriott. I'm wondering when they're gonna open up. And in the back it's Novotel and then the Corn building. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a...
It is already open.
The Marriott?
Yeah. I saw last time, saw people in and out.
Look at this, Marcus. This is the Olivia's Prime Steakhouse.
Oh.
I think this has a recommendation on, what is it called? The stupid thing?
Michelin?
Michelin, yeah. Maybe it's standing there, yeah. But I heard a lot of good things about that. But this is like a Western priced steakhouse. And this is the Indochina Mall. Wow! Wow! Let's walk around that real quick. That's a mall I never saw in my life. And they also have Mikado Sushi. Okay, let's check it out. Xin chào.
Ciao.
Mikado Sushi. So they have a rolling sushi over there. Interesting. All right, guys. So it looks like a small mall. But look at this Texas chicken. Woo! Texas, baby. I mean, there's not much going on up there.
Just if you want to become a model, you
Yeah.
can go to TA Academy.
Oh, but here you see Texas chicken. Interesting. I think that's brand new.
It is.
I think I had it one time in Thailand. Is it even American? I never saw it in America though. But look at this, they have garlic chicken. Nice. They have chicken wraps. Ooh. It's New Year, man. We don't do these things, okay? Highlands.
Hashtag health.
And here we are straight at the Han River again. Oh, what's going on there? Someone getting a ticket. Be careful when you drive around in Vietnam now. If you do something illegal on the street, then you will actually have a huge problem. Because they increased the fines by 1,000% or something. It's a lot, it's a lot. But this is Pizza for Peace. But I thought it has a nice view. Oh, okay. Where is it upstairs? You have a nice view there? Okay. Can I have a table for two for today?
Tonight?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, guys, I got my reservation. Today is gonna be my last dinner with my girlfriend. Then we're gonna split up and becoming a married couple. What is that? What is that, Marcus?
It's a side street.
Huh?
Yeah, I see.
Oh, look at this. What is no ok? You know what ok means?
No.
Let's go in the side street. I think we can find something cool here. Oh no, we can't. It's just the next street is there again. But what is this? Oh. We're standing around in the we gotta go back one. All right. It's a little bit busy here. All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's continue. Well, there was nothing in this little alleyway, but let's check out the streets here. Because there's also lots of restaurants over there, and I'm not sure what this is. It's a bookstore. Guys, if you need a bookstore, There's a bookstore. All right. The Han River looks very beautiful, especially now with the blue sky and everything. Nice. Oh, and look at this. There's a co-working up there. There are more different companies over there. Huh. Any interesting company? Huh. Here you have some drink stores pop up. This building will be an interesting property, I think. Riverfront. And I think here, yes, I went to this coffee shop once, I think. One of those coffee shops, I'm not sure if it was this one or the next one. But cute coffee shops here. And the Kong coffee is here too. That's pretty new. Yeah.
Okay.
I was here, I think. This was the one. Lit tick. Another Kmart with fake shoes. Okay. Oh, that's actually a bigger store. Oh. Yeah, you can find lots of counterfeit items here. Dragon Spa and Nail. Huh. Some construction going here. What's going on here? All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video and please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next one.